welcome to the Loose Wheel. Today we're gonna be doing a review thing on the Giant Anthem. It's this beautiful bike here. It's a beautiful piece of artistic bike. Let's get started. First, we'll be going over my frame and my shocks. I got two of them. Two shocks. So my frame is a Giant Anthem frame. It's European color scheme, all jazzy. Up here we got RockShox Rebuzz. My bad. Sorry guys. Sorry. It's my bad. And then that's 120, by the way. And back here we got some more RockShox. These are like deluxe. Literally, that's what they're called. We got a Maestro, because I can pronounce things. Floating pivot back here with just 100 millimeters. So I mean, this has got 20 more. What's better? Going over my drivetrain. See, first we got these sweet race face Chester pedals. We got an XT crank arm here. We got a Chromag chain ring here. A RockShox race face bash guard. And then all this stuff here, the chain, the cassette, and the derailleur are all Shimano XTs. And then here, we got a beauty of the world, our top curtain. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So, we got some sweet Forecaster tires up here, tubeless ready, and they are tubeless, which is great. We got some sweet DT Swiss rims, as well as a DT Swiss hub. And then in the back here, you see this, Herbie, we got more Forecaster wheels, tires, and then we got some DT Swiss rims here too, with the Shimano hub. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, the bike too.
Alright, so I got Herbie here with my broken wrist. We are going inside because it's really cold outside and we don't want to do the rest of the video outside because, as I said before, it's cold. We got bikes on bikes here. And Ben, alright, here we go. Oh no, how am I going to do this? See, we got the broken wrist, and we got the doggo, and we got the Mio, and we got the camera. Okay, so moving in here now. This is where we're going. Alright, so what's going on now is Ben, who's doing the bike check. We've just moved inside. There's the bike in question. There's the bed in question, and we need something to stand it up on. So
this is not an appropriate material.
Ben has thankfully gotten us
this is all censored.
Set of of legs.
My mom's an art teacher and an artist and all that. So a while ago we're like, hey, let's make some legs. These.
A while ago, you were like, let's get demonetized.
Yeah, I guess so. And we covered them in wire, and we took it off.
Let's just try to stand it up. Okay, here we go. I want to put the camera here so that you can see us trying to stand it up. Alright.
Herbie, come here. Okay, so now I'll be going over my brakes, which are pretty dang cool. Up front, we got a Formula Puro brake. Both of these rotors are Shimano rotors. In the back here, we got another Shimano brake. And they're both 160. Both 160. And that's great. And I just touched it, I think. Did I? Well, no, I just touched it. Now we will be going over my cockpit. See, I got some sweet Cannondale grips here. I love these grips. Wearing out a little bit, but they're so great. And then over here, I got a black Shimano Dior brake for the back. And for the front, I got an Oro brake with a carbon fiber lever. It's just lever. Science. I got an Easton Haven handlebar here. That is great. I love that. And then I got some Shimano XTR shifters. Those are pretty great. I got a Giant Connect stem here and a Battery to Big Breakfast stem cap. Because Battery to Big Breakfast is literally what it says. And last but certainly not least, we will be going over the most important part of the bike. So we got a WTB, we like to call it What the Bike, it's fun to say. Got a WTB Salsa Pure V seat, which is super squishy and cushiony, and it feels so goody on my booty. And then we got a giant seat bag here, which is pretty great. We got a Herbie down here. Great job. And then we got a race face seat post, which is very nice. Very long. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you for watching Ben's Bike Check. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And on that bombshell, it's time to end. Thank you. Good night!
Seth's dog. What's Seth's dog?
Seth's dog, Drama.
Drama here.
Except this Drama looks like a rat.
Whoa!
You know, pigs are just fat chihuahuas.